the High School Entrepreneurship Bootcamp. It's a great opportunity for students to kind of take their high school experience and move it up a level. So by the time they end up at university, when they've graduated high school, they've already kind of understood how it works, and they arrive more confident. They arrive with a better understanding of perhaps what goes into starting up a new business, how to pitch a new business idea if they need funding, and all the different operational and financial pieces that go into actually running a business.
I learned a lot of things about entrepreneurship, especially with the guest speaker. She said a lot about what she did and what she liked, and that kind of motivated me to see what I could do and what I could turn my passions and my aspirations to be looking towards the future.
What I learned today for entrepreneurship was what it takes, really, like the process of entrepreneurship, and really to just trust yourself, have confidence when it comes to your entrepreneurship, getting your name out there.
Together we created an app that makes beauty affordable, smart, and personal.
Our app is Mindframe. It's for neurodivergent individuals who struggle with time management and keeping up their schedule.
I think the biggest takeaway that students will have after this is applying the skills that they've learned, you know, because you can't really hear or listen to certain things and then not apply them, you know, it's like, if you really want it, you have to apply them in the real world, and specifically wherever it is that you want to go in life.
It gives them some confidence, I hope so, that they can go on and do on their own business ideas and stuff. So I think that's the main thing. It's just being practical once you learn those tools and put them in the real world.